Hi students, in last lecture we studied about Elizabethan period, in which we studied the pre-Elizabethan period, then supreme contribution by William Shakespeare. After that we also discussed the contribution of Ben Jonson and his contemporary. In today's lecture we are very much concerned with the Jew of Malta, which is a very important drama by Christopher Marlowe. First one, let's turn to the introduction of same drama. Christopher Marlowe is one of the significant playwrights of Elizabethan period who is famous for his tragedies and whose work have influenced the number of writers so far, including his contemporaries like William Shakespeare, baptized in 26 February 1564. He was born at Canterbury, Kent, England, to John Marlowe, a shoemaker, and Catherine in 1578. He was admitted to King's School at Canterbury, where he completed his primary education. Then he was shifted to the then Bennett College and now Corpus College at the Cambridge, from where he matriculated in 1581. He received a scholarship there during his graduation, which he completed in 1584 in arts. In 1587 he completed his post-graduation, but the university refused to award him the degree of Master of Arts, as there was a rumor that he intended to do study at English College in Reims in order to become a Roman Catholic priest. It is also said that he was deeply influenced by his tutor Francis Kent, who shaped his aesthetical attitude towards religion. After completing his education, Marlowe worked as a secret agent for Sir Francis Walsingham, though there are no evidence of it except a report of the Privy Council, which helped Marlowe to get his master degree and travelled abroad in his capacity. Afterwards, he joined Lord Admiral Company of Players and settled in London, where, while working as an actor, he got an opportunity to start his career as a dramatist. So far, he has written 6 plays, which include Dido, Queen of Carthage, Tamburlaine the Great, The Jew of Malta, Edward II, The Massacre at Paris, Dr. Faustus, narrative poems such as Hero and Leander add the passionate shepherd to his love, and translated Ovid's Amorous and Lucan's Pharsalia. He died on 1593 at the age of 29, and as some scholars believe, he was assassinated on the political grounds.